what up?
7 o'clock in the morning.
Slash 8:20, dog.
This is episode 2 of Hola Mexiquila. And yeah, very cool day today. We're gonna meet up with our homeboy Sergio. He's one of you. He reached out. He's in Mexico and he's vegan and he's gonna show us a good time. We're about 4 hours away, so we're gonna make some breco, make some chai, hit the road. Why are you such a pendejo?
What are you saying?
Are you a pendejo? I think I mean
You guys want me to make breakfast? I have everything in here.
Yes, please.
pendejo. We got a situation here on aisle 12 here.
Imagine how horrible it's gonna be to take that.
We had a big ice bag in the sink, and then we got extra water floating, but the water sitch is full, so unless I empty it from there, we are, how do you say, gringoed. Go back to your home, boy. My solution was brilliant.
That was a really smooth transition, I'll give it to you, dude.
No es pendejo.
I'm pretty blown away by like the smoothness of the transfer there.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Gonna take your camera back?
I don't think they're, bud. Yo, these van lifers over here, they're so posh. She's just like, where is our silverware? Who says silverware?
What do you say?
What do you say?
Forks, knives?
But
Well, what do you
what's
say
your
as a
word for
collective?
everything?
Cutlery.
Cutlery? No, that's way more
more
cultured,
posh.
dude.
Where is my silverware, darling?
Not say cutlery in that tone.
Where is my cutlery?
Good morning!
Back.
Hi, back. Glad you could join us.
Silverware or cutlery?
Silverware, darling. Oh my goodness.
Are you guys kidding me?
More
Silverware.
I would say silverware.
Like you don't really register that there's a mirror there until you have to use it, you know?
Wow. Just letting these eyebrow hairs grow right in, folks. First time I've seen it in a couple weeks.
Breakfast is really good. Aubry made us like a muesli fruit
I just like
with cashew yogurt, which I've never had.
They aren't that crazy.
It's quite strong, but very good.
This is yours?
My point exactly.
I only have to say 2 of them, right? Like two of them are dangerous, so is the only choice there. And
almond.
that's all you need to know.
But I give you almond milk all the time.
I know.
Cheers to good health.
Hey, you see how it's a little bit yellow, like light yellow?
Yeah.
There's a little bit of contaminant in the water. Wet. I guarantee you, if we found water here to try to drink, it would turn like orange.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it kills it, but it would be like burnt orange.
Yo, yeah, we should test ours versus filtered and non-filtered.
Preval?
That's alright.
Gracias.
Really?
Yeah. Oh, it has a linger, doesn't it?
It really does.
Oh.
Okay, so what is that?
It's vitamin C, bub.
Pure vitamins?
Pure vitamins and minerals, yeah. A lot of citrus in that. Actually, it's kind of
Don't
funny.
touch my spaghetti.
This is...
How many bees do you want? 12?
12 of them, yeah.
Okay, wait, hold on. Eamon's mom.
Oh, I wasn't gonna tell him.
Oh.
No, tell me.
I'm too kind. I'm so nice and
I
he's
know,
so
rip it
cruel,
off.
isn't he? One of them is dissolvable and
It's
one
the
of them
classic
isn't.
Morag situation
And
here.
when I put the non-dissolvable ones in, some mornings when I forget,
brutal?
it
It's
is
disgusting. It's worse than
brutal.
Agriside. We gotta get going here.
Okay, hold on.
Poopscapades happening. Poopscapades don't wait for no one.
What's this, a double whammy? Buddy?
Yeah. Oh, shout out to Spike Mats. They hooked us up with these mats, and they actually are really comfortable. They're amazing to stand on too. Like if you're doing a show or whatever, Spike Mats. There's Beck, a walk of shame with toilet paper in hand. Good luck, buddy.
Good morning, everyone. I realized that I haven't said hello to you yet. I'm in a great mood today. Really just feeling the Mexican sunshine and good vibes. I've made some cold brew tea that I've been drinking on the road. I know it doesn't look that appetizing, but it's been really good. And yeah, I'm driving, cruising, just taking a rest stop, stretch those legs. We're cruising. What should we do?
I don't know, pull over.
No hablo español.
No speak Spanish?
No.
Only English?
Yeah.
Sí.
Check in the car.
You want to check?
Eamon's giving him a tour of the van.
Oh, thumbnail, get the thumbnail.
Perfect, nailed it. Wow, it's funny, like he was all balls coming up, you know, like holding his gun, walking up like super macho. And you break him down a little bit, you throw like some Spanish words that you know, and super lovely guy.
My heart still beats fast, even though I know we're doing nothing wrong, obviously. Like I was going 10 kilometers an hour.
You know what's funny? I honestly don't even think they have like the technology to check your paperwork. Like he's not interested in papers.
He didn't care at all.
No.
He just like knocked, you guys didn't see, but he knocked on the floor and he knocked on some stuff. I guess you might think that we'd be transporting like drugs or something.
Mm-hmm.
You guys hear that noise?
No, buddy.
Yeah, buddy, I think it's time we show them.
Eamon!
So I want to quickly update you on the most clutch mod we've done to the van so far. Now keep in mind, we only use this when it's like on dirt or like, you know,
like you pee outside anyways.
a relatively normal place. We put a funnel in our van that goes right through the bottom, and it is the best pee urinal ever. Because no more pee jugs.
Give him a little taste on what it looks like there.
This is what it looks like.
Yep, and we
sanitized
disinfect it every single time, and then it hangs straight up so it never leaks. And yeah, it's right in our little cupboard there.
Please don't judge us.
Don't judge me, bro.
But honestly, it's clutch. If you guys live in a van and you don't have that, I wish I could patent that or something. You could buy it from me. But no, that's free. Do it. It's amazing. Christian and Aubry, we're gonna install one for them too, because they just
keep peeing in jugs.
Keep peeing in Topo Chico jugs.
Every once in a while, we hit on the road that's so super bumpy, which is kind of what we expected.
Every once in a while, I'd say this whole road.
Really? Earlier when I was driving, it was quite all right. Like it was pretty.
I took over these roads, it's brutal.
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, we're on the toll road, so we had kind of expected that Mexico would have bumpy roads and some issues with construction and all that kind of stuff, but toll roads are kind of hit and miss. Yeah. Every once in a while, it's really bad.
For sure.
Where? Aww.
There. How are you, brother? See you guys.
Hola! What a cutie! I love him already. We are walking in downtown Queretaro.
Oh, stunning, man. Good job.
Did I do a good job? We met up with Sergio, who I'd love to introduce you guys to.
Hey guys.
Hey, Sergio, tell us a little elevator speech about yourself.
About me?
Yeah,
well,
man.
I grew up in Georgia, and I've been living here for a couple of years, and I love it. I just wanted to show you guys the town that I go to school in, and yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
It's gonna be a beautiful day. Look at these two lovebirds holding hands and such. So I think we're gonna start at the açai place. Vamos! What, buddy? Every time I'm on the camera, you make it sound like you're not interested in what I'm saying.
What? I didn't even say anything.
I could just tell.
You can sense it?
No. Yeah, so we're walking through the town. We're kind of scouting out some cute Instagram-worthy buildings, and most of them are. They're so cute. This is so good. It smells amazeballs.
Oh, that's it. Way to sucker us into having to buy now, eh? Oh, yeah.
She saw us approaching and rolled up the corn tortillas and gave us a full sample each. So she's a real-on hustler. And now we're gonna buy. Hey guys, we came upstairs here to check out the tattoo artist, and turns out Aubry is gonna be getting a little nose piercing.
Holy smokes, girl. Wow, look at those eyes. That's determination I see.
Did it already happen?
Oh my god, that was so easy.
I know.
Is it already ended?
Oh my god!
So at first we thought this was a fake tattoo, but then the mask goes on, the needle comes out. He's a professional. He's like, okay, you sat down at my chair. A sunflower would look really nice on your back.
When I pull up.
No, don't worry. Okay. I'm a crazy guy. I'm Mexican crazy guy.
So what's the new plan? Matching Jaguars?
Matching Jaguars right here.
Oh my god, we need to get a life.
No, right?
Nice.
Ciao. You guys, I feel like we haven't been updating you properly, but we just went to the most
gangster yoga class I've ever been to.
Great.
Unbelievable. Also, that dude was like not only a ballerina, but just a beautiful human in general.
He was amazing. I
And-
didn't understand what he was saying, and I think he's amazing.
Oh, just that Spanish vibe. And how about that?
Like understood what he was saying at the end. I
I know, I bet you it was amazing.
Was I thought it
I
was
was
so
imagining.
Did you guys?
I was lying down the entire time. That Shavasana with the music and everything, it was like a next level Christian, bro. You missed out big time.
Yeah, Christian. I hope your coffee was good.
The squad is en route. We're trying to figure out if we can find a restaurant that's open. It is Monday here. So we went to 2 options, but they're both closed. We've got 1 left. Let's see if my boy Serge can come in clutch. We're going the wrong way.
We'll have to go all the way around the block to the other side.
Have you ever seen a YouTuber sign off a YouTube video? I'm gonna give you the honor.
What am I doing?
You're signing off the vlog.
Am I supposed to say it?
Do you know how to sign off the vlog? I feel like you do.
Alright guys, so thank you for watching this vlog. Make sure to like and subscribe to the video. Hit that little notification bell like Kristen always says. And we'll be seeing you tomorrow.
Well done.
Wow.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Minimal Millennials on YouTube.
Serge.
Yeah guys, we hope you did enjoy this video for realsies. We had the best day. Thank you so much to Serge for showing us around this beautiful city that we probably would have just driven right on by. And that's the key lesson of this vlog, isn't it guys? Be a yes man, say yes, get out there, try new things. And we're about to eat a lot of food, so bye for now.
Guys, none of that's going in. Serge already ended the vlog.
Just in case. Say goodbye.
I'm on a little flute solo, you know?